We welcome all our whānau who have come along to support the learners this afternoon. Congratulations. On stage, we have our Pomaria management and our Board of Trustees, a couple of Board of Trustees members as well. We have Mrs. Gage, who is the Chairperson of the Board of Trustees, and Mr. Moore, who is also on our Board of Trustees. We also welcome this afternoon Whaia Philippa, who is the Deputy Principal of Henderson High School. Thank you for coming along this afternoon to join us, Whaia Philippa. And they now hold leadership positions in their respective primary, intermediate or high schools. Tyler Suasani, Theo Ragai, Paula Ragai, notice got the same surname, and by coincidence we have another Ragai who's going to be commissioned today, so we're so happy and proud to have those two boys here. We also have Callum Henry, who was our head boy in 2017. We have Alex Gage, who was our head boy in 2018. And we have the handsome and dashing Diamond Tamalua, who was our head boy in 2012. Please give them all a big
I have been chosen to be head boy for 2019. My goals are to be a role model and to show respect to everyone around me and share the school values. If you see me around in the park or the playground, please come and say hi or make my day. Thank you. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Hello, ni hao, bulvanasa, and many other greetings to you all. For those who don't know me, I am Phoenix Kamalita Chang. I love writing, animals, and dislike reading and inquiry. This year as head girl, I want to achieve my goal, which is making others happy and being better than my two brothers that also went to this school. So don't be afraid to ask me or any of the teachers for help, because we want you to feel welcome. I wanted to be head girl so my family and I could be proud, and because of someone who was always there for me. I was inspired by my mother. She always pushed and encouraged me to achieve my goal, though not because she didn't love me. It was because she cared. I want to make everyone try their very best and accomplish their goals and show leadership and pride in their class and everyone's. Thank you for listening, and let's try to make this year an unforgettable one.
Mariah. Here to number one, thank you. Paki for